Welcome to Eurocrane. Founded in 2002, Eurocrane was listed in Shanghai Stock Exchange market in 2017 after 15 years development. There are 9 major manufacturing bases and 48 service centers around the world. We also serve more than 5,000 high-end customers worldwide. The products are widely used in more than 30 professional fields. Eurocrane equips customers with a professional, intelligent operating management system. Thank you for your presence. Eurocrane is the first company in crane industry to develop and adopt the 3-coating and 3-baking painting system to effectively improve the quality and efficiency of painting process. Our products are fully pre-assembled here after fabrication. This is to eliminate all the tiny defects before delivery, which greatly improve the efficiency of site installation and final transmission, subsequently to save the customer cost on site. Eurocrane Open Winch Assembly Center is one-station factory for high-precision and large-scale hoisting mechanisms. 100% strict quality inspection system will be done to all the products before delivery. Eurocrane Open Winches are fully self-developed by professional teams in both China and Europe. It's completely customized with the customer need for better performance. Every week there are more than 50 winches to be delivered to different countries with complete cranes. Eurocrane has a professional electric hoist design and manufacture technology, and a high-efficiency process flow with a strict quality management system. We are committed to providing customer with a safe, reliable, and high-quality products. Our hoist production line has a capacity of more than 18,000 sets of hoist in 1 year. Thank you for your presence.